Hey, what's going on, guys? SpigotAPIPro here, and in this video we're gonna be going over custom items in Minecraft. So let's hop into it right now. Okay, so here's our here's our main class, which is named YT Tuto, and then here's our events class. Now we're gonna quickly make a event handler, and then do public void on join player join event e. Okay, Ctrl+Shift+O to import all of that. We're gonna do player so e.get player, as you always do. There we go, and e.get player there. Okay, now what we're gonna be doing is item stack item is equal to, actually we'll do it sword is equal to new item stack, and I named that wrong, and we're gonna be doing material dot diamond sword and 1, and there we go. Okay, now here's the new part. We're going to be doing item meta m is equal to sword dot get item meta. There we go. Okay, now what we'll do is m dot set display name, and we'll do chat color dot let's find a good color. Chat color dot blue plus sword of the gods. Okay, now this is we're just setting the display name of the sword as sword of the gods, and now we'll do something new. Array list lore, and I'm sorry, let's do string lore is equal to new array list and string. Okay, now array list is like a thing which helps you to store multiple items at once. So what you can do is lore dot add, and then you can add chat color dot dark red plus best sword, and we'll just copy paste this real quickly again. Where is it? Copy, and then let's paste it, and then this is lore 2, and we'll name that as used by the gods, and we'll do this white. Okay, and not dark white. What is dark white, bro? White. Now to end this off, what we'll do is player dot get inventory dot add item, and we'll do sword. But before you do that, I forgot to do one thing. No, the sword dot add that's set item meta m, and I got the spelling wrong. And remember that Java is case sensitive. Okay, didn't mean to mean that. Okay, let's quickly export this and then start up the server. It's loading libraries. Okay, just load your libraries quick, bro. I'm in a tutorial. And by the time being, we'll just check that localhost is there. Yes, it is. Okay, this may take a long time. I don't want to take it a long time, so guys, I'll just be right back when this all loads up. Okay, there we go. I'm back. Let's do join server. And the thing that this won't work, I'm not sure. Let me just check. I think I didn't get this exported right. I just think. Let's see. Okay. And it didn't work. Let's see why it didn't work. Let's right click. And it's gonna export it again to check that it worked or not. Okay, so here I did get this. I restarted the server and we can just fix that later on, but let's just quickly join our localhost server and it should give us in sword. Okay, there we go. So you see here sword of the gods, and it's not showing your custom item made. I mean the lore. Okay, let's see why. Okay, well, I forgot to do this. m.set lore, and we're gonna do lore. There we go. Now this thing should definitely work. Export. Okay, let's quickly reload this server and just clear inventory. Now what I can just do is slash. Why is this Minecraft.tel? I don't know. Okay, there. Well, I don't care. I'm just gonna, just throw these items somewhere else. Okay, so let's just disconnect right over here, and this should. Okay, we got the sword. There we go. So as you guys can see, sword of the gods and best sword used by the gods. So yeah, guys, that was it for this video. Hope that you guys did enjoy, and if they did, just smash the like button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, guys.